Looking for the best portable SSD to store and transfer your data quickly and efficiently? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Orico portable SSDs, breaking down their pros and cons to help you find the perfect storage solution for your needs. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the Orico M25 Pro portable SSD. The Orico M25 Pro portable SSD offers an efficient and fashionable solution for those in need of fast and reliable external storage. With its vibrant design and durable construction, it is well suited for both personal and business use. Here's a closer look at the pros and cons of this device. Pros: high-speed performance. The Orico M25 Pro stands out with its impressive 5 Gbps maximum reading speed, reaching up to 500 MB/s. This high-speed performance allows for faster data transfers, making it ideal for business offices and professionals who need to move large files quickly. Durable and shock-resistant. Built with a colorful plastic shell and a zinc alloy middle frame, this portable SSD offers a solid construction that is both shock-resistant and anti-drop. It ensures that your data stays safe even in potentially hazardous environments, offering peace of mind when carrying it on the go. Wide compatibility. This portable SSD can be used with a variety of devices, including PCs, laptops, smartphones, game consoles, and routers. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, or iPad, the Orico M25 Pro supports multiple operating systems, enhancing its versatility. Convenient plug and play. Featuring a USB-C output interface, the Orico M25 Pro supports the plug-and-play feature, making it easy to connect and use without any complicated setup. Plus, it comes with a 0.3-meter 2-in-1 USB-C to USB-A and USB-C cable, allowing for compatibility with different types of devices. Cons: limited cable length. The included 0.3-meter cable may be too short for some users, especially when the device is being used at a distance from the connected computer or console. A longer cable would provide more flexibility for those who need it. The Orico M25 Pro portable SSD strikes a balance between functionality and style. It's an excellent choice for individuals and professionals looking for fast, reliable, and durable storage. Its compatibility with a wide range of devices and operating systems makes it versatile for everyday use, though those needing the highest speed for data-heavy applications may need to explore higher-end options. Number 4 is the Orico C10 portable SSD. The Orico C10 portable SSD is a solid and practical storage solution that stands out for its rugged build, impressive speed, and reliable performance. Whether you're a content creator, a frequent traveler, or someone in need of quick backups, this portable SSD offers several benefits. However, like any product, it also has a few considerations to keep in mind. Pros: speed and efficiency. One of the standout features of the Orico C10 is its exceptional speed. With read speeds up to 1050 MB/s and write speeds of 1000 MB/s, transferring large files or performing quick backups becomes effortless. You can transfer 1 GB of data in just 1 second, making it a perfect choice for those handling high-resolution media or large data files. Rugged and durable, made from aluminum alloy, the Orico C10 portable SSD is designed to withstand drops and tough environments. Its dust-proof and drop-proof construction ensures that your data remains safe, even in harsh conditions. This is especially important for users who need a reliable storage solution while traveling or working in demanding settings. Universal compatibility. The Orico C10 works seamlessly across various operating systems, including Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. The included 2-in-1 USB cable makes it easy to connect to different devices without the hassle of searching for adapters or additional cables. Heat dissipation. The aluminum alloy casing is not just about durability, it also aids in heat dissipation. During long hours of use, the SSD remains cool, ensuring stable performance without overheating, which can sometimes be an issue with high-speed storage devices. Portability. With its compact design and convenient hold feature, the Orico C10 is incredibly portable. It's perfect for users who need fast and reliable storage while on the go, without the bulk of traditional hard drives. Cons. Limited storage capacity. While the Orico C10 offers high-speed performance, its storage capacity may not be sufficient for users with extensive storage needs. For those needing multiple terabytes of space, this portable SSD might fall short, and a traditional external hard drive may be a better option. The Orico C10 portable SSD is a powerful and reliable storage solution that excels in speed, durability, and portability. Whether you're working with large files or need a tough drive that can withstand the elements, this portable SSD offers excellent value. Coming in at number 3 is the Orico K20 portable SSD. The Orico K20 portable SSD offers a range of features aimed at users looking for a reliable, fast storage solution. Whether you're a content creator, photographer, or simply someone who needs a portable option for their data, this drive promises to deliver. We take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Orico K20 portable SSD. Pros. Strong magnetic design. One of the standout features of the Orico K20 is its strong magnetic design. This ensures that the SSD stays securely in place, even during handheld shooting. You don't have to worry about it falling off mid-use, making it ideal for users who need a stable storage option in dynamic situations. High transfer speed. The Orico K20 boasts impressive transfer speeds of up to 2050 MB/s. This speed is ideal for professionals who need to move large files quickly, such as when transferring 4K video or high-resolution images. The quick data transfer enhances productivity and streamlines workflows, especially for time-sensitive projects. Multiple device compatibility. The SSD is compatible with a range of devices, ensuring versatility in its use. Whether you're working with a laptop, mobile phone, or other devices, the Orico K20 provides a reliable storage solution that can keep up with your needs. Compact and portable. The Orico K20 is ultra-thin, similar in size to a credit card, making it highly portable. Its compact design ensures that you can easily carry it in your pocket or bag, allowing for on-the-go storage without the added bulk of traditional external drives. Enhanced durability and cooling. Constructed with an aluminum alloy body, the SSD is not only lightweight but also durable. The material promotes quick cooling, ensuring that the drive stays stable during use. This cooling feature helps maintain optimal performance and protects your data security by preventing overheating. Cons. No built-in protection from physical damage. While the aluminum alloy body offers cooling benefits, it may not provide enough protection against physical impacts or drops. Users who need extra ruggedness for fieldwork may want to consider an SSD with more robust shockproof features. The Orico K20 portable SSD is an excellent choice for users looking for a fast, portable, and magnetic storage solution. Its strong magnetic design, high transfer speeds, and external 4K recording support make it a versatile tool for various applications, especially in mobile and video production. Number 2 is the Orico A20 Plus portable SSD. The Orico A20 Plus portable SSD is a sleek and innovative solution designed to meet the high storage demands of modern smartphones, particularly for users of the iPhone 15 Pro series. Its high-speed capabilities and magnetic design make it an attractive choice for professionals and creatives alike. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of this portable SSD based on its performance and features. Pros. Unmatched speed and performance. The Orico A20 Plus boasts an impressive 20 Gbps transfer rate, ensuring fast and seamless data transfer. This is especially beneficial for those who rely on the SSD for video recording and editing. It supports 4K/60Hz video recording without interruptions, making it a solid choice for those capturing high-definition video in ProRes format. Magnetic attachment for convenience. One of the standout features of the A20 Plus is its strong magnetic adsorption. This allows users to easily attach the SSD to their device, ensuring a firm hold. If you use a magnetic phone case, the SSD simply clicks into place, offering easy access for storage, backup, and data transfer whenever needed, no extra effort required. Ideal for video creators and professionals. Whether you're engaged in video recording, outdoor shooting, or professional photography, This portable SSD is designed to meet the specific needs of content creators. It can handle the recording of 4K ProRes log videos, making it suitable for high-quality video work and ensuring that there are no frame drops during recording. Cons: limited to iPhone 15 Pro series users. While the A20 Plus is a great option for iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max users, its magnetic attachment feature works best with magnetic phone cases. If your phone doesn't support this or you prefer using a non-magnetic case, the SSD's magnetic feature won't be as useful, which could be a downside for some users. The Orico A20 Plus portable SSD stands out for its exceptional speed, magnetic design, and suitability for video recording and photography. It's a must-have for users with demanding storage needs, especially content creators working with high-definition video formats. And finally, our number one pick is the Orico A10 portable SSD. The Orico A10 portable SSD is a sleek and highly functional storage solution designed for those who require fast and reliable data management. With its ultra-compact design and powerful features, it caters to a wide range of users, from creative professionals to casual users. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of this portable SSD to help you decide if it fits your needs. Pros: compact and portable design. The Orico A10 is incredibly small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Whether you're traveling for work or leisure, its minimalist style and pocket-sized design ensure that you can store your important files and take them anywhere with ease. Its compactness doesn't compromise its functionality, offering powerful storage in a very portable form. Efficient heat dissipation. One of the standout features of the Orico A10 is its upgraded cooling system. The combination of a 3D NAND flash structure and an alloy frame effectively dissipates heat, ensuring that the SSD runs at low temperatures. This is particularly important for maintaining long-term reliability and performance, especially during intensive data transfers. Durability and shock resistance. The Orico A10 features a colorful plastic shell combined with a zinc alloy middle frame. This robust construction makes it shock-resistant and anti-drop, offering solid protection for your data. It's an excellent choice for those who need a durable portable storage solution that can withstand the rigors of daily use and travel. Fast transfer speeds. With the adoption of USB 3.2 Gen 2 Master Control Scheme and UASP acceleration protocol, the Orico A10 offers fast data transfer speeds. This is perfect for users who need to manage high-resolution photos, design files, or other large data sets quickly. The USB-C interface also supports plug-and-play functionality, allowing for easy setup without needing additional drivers. Cons: no advanced security features. For users who prioritize security, the Orico A10 may fall short. Unlike some other portable SSDs, it does not come with built-in encryption or password protection features. This lack of advanced security may be a concern for those who need to store sensitive or confidential data. The Orico A10 portable SSD is a fantastic option for those in need of a compact, durable, and high-speed storage solution. Its efficient heat dissipation system, stylish design, and cross-platform compatibility make it a solid choice for both personal and professional use.